Hi. So imagine if someone starts with the sufficient capital, as you suggested, $1,000. So what would be the risk and reward ratio which they would expect? Because like there are a lot of people who say they'll get you 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk and reward ratio. So what would be like a realistic way to get profit, like according to you?
So as far as risk to reward ratio is concerned, there is lot of hypothesis in the market. And who is actually spreading this hypothesis? Those so-called educators who are actually spreading this hypothesis, because this is how they lure people into their trading course, which they say that give me this amount, give me $200 and I will teach you for a month and you will become a successful trader. Most of them do not make money by trading themselves. They are making money by selling their educational courses related to teaching or making other guys trader. And then they say that you should trade with 1 to 3 risk to reward. It seems very good when hypothetically we just hear the concept that if we are risking $1 and getting $3 in return, it feels amazing. Just imagine in $1,000, you are risking just one third, 170. It's so easy, right? 170 is not a big deal for nobody. You are risking 170 and you are expecting, oh, 510. So anybody will be so happy and so cheerful about it that this particular educator is so awesome and he's going to teach me the methods to trade with 1 to 3 risk reward and I'm going to make so much money. But what happens in reality is totally different from this hypothesis. So hypothetically it's good, but in reality market does not give such opportunities to trade 1 to 3 or 1 to 2. If you are just sitting on hand and just waiting for such kind of opportunities where you will get 1 to 3, then you will hardly be able to trade 3, 4, 5 trading positions probably in a quarter. And if your expectation in a quarter is like, let's say 2%, 3%, then you can go ahead with such kind of risk to reward and you can stick to trading only those opportunities which are giving you 1 to 3 and you are happy with 3% in a quarter, let's say, then it is of course feasible. And even if we talk about the 1 to 2 risk reward opportunities in the market, there is very less opportunities where we can get double reward compared to the risk, because this market is volatile. We are talking in the context of the most volatile, the riskiest kind of trading in the world. Gold trading on MetaTrader, which is almost 24-hour, 23-hour open market. Forex, 24-hour open market. Highly leveraged market where the margin requirement is 0.02% only. Similar highly leveraged instrument is stock options. In such kind of markets, what happens that the market changes the direction. Any particular instrument can change the direction just after a couple of hours because of upcoming influential economic data or anything happens in terms of geopolitical things. So you are not going to get 1 to 2. Maybe you are setting a target of profit 3 times bigger than your stop loss. That will be somewhere at a support or resistance, which you have planned according to your chart setup. But what happens after a couple of hours, that one particular tweet will come from somebody who is an influential politician, world leader, or maybe a central banker, and the entire scenario will dramatically change. So you will simply be, going back to hitting your either stop loss or break even. That is why if we are talking about the such kind of trading, we stick to just 1 to 1. Our traders do not wait for 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 kind of opportunities. They trade even if they get 1 to 1 kind of trading opportunities. And this is the only way we can take advantage of such kind of markets where we can make multiple trades on daily basis and we can end up in good profit compared to the risk. So it's like equal risk to reward, 1 to 1. That is what's happening here in our trading department. And if somebody will stick to such kind of thing like 1 to 3 or 1 to 2, we can customize his or her portfolio to filter out those trades which are not suitable for the client. If client is adamant about trading only 1 to 3 kind of opportunity, we will simply give that this is the possibility, this is the kind of profit we can expect. And if the prospect agrees, we can make that kind of portfolio. It's very simple. It's all about expectation and risk. That's it.